Stay on cannabis and bring in Chris Kerlow, his portfolio manager with Richardson GMP. You are interested in this cannabis sector, and how does the average investor go about all of this?
Yeah, so the average investor, I think, in a lot of cases is actually taking the wrong approach. They're hearing from a friend or an Uber driver about a stock and seeing it go higher, and they're having that fear of missing out. And so they buy the name, and over the last 6 to 12 months, it's probably the best performing name in their portfolio. And so they've kind of had this positive feedback loop that have gotten stock prices in the space to probably a little bit dislocated from fundamentals at this point.
Right, but again, if you're just an average person and you've always said, hey, I want to get in the market, it's too late for me to get on the ground floor of Amazon, but maybe not Canopy, maybe not Tilray, maybe not Aurora, maybe not those kind of names. So exactly what are they doing wrong? We know right now there's a lot of volatility. Some of these have come down a lot from their highs. To your point, they're up nicely if you bought them a few months ago. So what's the approach you're taking?
So my approach for a retail investor would be to look into like an actively managed fund or ETF and take that to diversify away. I think that the industry plays out much like the alcoholic beverage industry with a few major players, a couple craft brewers. But right now in Canada, we have over 110 licensed producers. In 3 years from now, they're not all going to be around. So if you take a flyer on one of those names, you could get burnt. And every bubble has a lot of the same characteristics: access to capital, change in regulation, new technology, and broad market speculation. We currently
What
see
about
that
first mover advantages for some of the names that we know that are starting to become household names?
I think that those will be around for a long time, and looking at their international growth prospects is extremely important. And if you have the time to do the due diligence, you can certainly make some money in the space. However, at current valuations, I think you'll still get a better entry point as the mass psychology has pushed it far beyond fundamental value.
Do you buy something like a Constellation Brands? That last earnings report was phenomenal. The guidance, including their investment in Canopy, was very impressive, very telling to me.
Yeah, certainly a more diversified, lower risk play to get in the space, and something that would be probably more prudent than taking a small cap Canadian producer, that's up 300% over the past year. So that would probably be a less speculative way of playing.
I get a private placement memorandum on my desk of a Canadian company, right? It looks intriguing. People are looking at these kind of things. One or two of them, though, will end up being a big player, right? I mean, how do you sift through them? Is there something specific that you're looking for that may say, hey, okay, this one will emerge amongst the crowd?
Well, out of all the industries I cover, cannabis sector is probably the most bifurcated between the quality of management teams, the quality of assets, the production capabilities. And so, you might get a flashy prospectus. And I think some of the companies that are most highly valued now are so because of their marketing efforts, less so because of the fundamental value. So you need to sift through
But management is key, though. Management is important.
Extremely important. And it's a new space, so the talent pool is limited and stretched out a little bit, too.
All right. Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Thanks a lot for having me.